Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In how many ways can six people line up to pay internet bills if two particular persons refuse to follow each other? So we have six people, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Now let P1, P2 be the two who do not want to follow each other. So let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces. Let's take it for example. Now these places will be occupied by P3, P4, P5 and P6. Now since P1 and P2 do not want to follow each other, there has to be one other person between them all the time. So P1 and P2 can be here, here, here or here or here. So we can say that for these four people, P3, P4, P5, P6, permutations are 4 factorial. For 4 other people. For quarreling people, when P1 is over here, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices. 5 choices to select a place to stand. But once the place is selected by P1, P2 has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 choices to select the place. So for quarreling people, there are 5 into 4 different ways to stand in the line. So as a whole, let's see. Overall, there are 4 factorial into 5 into 4 different ways in which they can stand without argument. So that will be 4 factorial is 24 and 5 fours are 20, so that is equal to 480 different ways. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C, 480.